Hi, are you making big changes? Ready to restore your credit, remove bad credit charges, bank repos, collections, medical bills, school fees, and more? This is your year to win.
So these are kind of the same size. So what I'm going to do in my drawing is I'm going to start to make them smaller as I move up the page. Hello, everyone. It's your girl, Coach Serenis here, coming to you live in the beautiful state of Texas. I'm here in my office. And pardon me if you hear like little background noise. I'm in my office, and my kid, she's also in class. So for those of you who don't know, my kids, yes, they do go to school. Well, I don't call it homeschool. They go to school from home, online from home. So with that saying, I will not keep you long. I got something very important I wanted to share with you. So allow me to interrupt your day just to bring you this valuable information. If you're meeting or if you're following me for the first time, please like, subscribe, and share so that each time we bring you valuable information, you won't miss it. So, with that saying, I'm going to jump right into it. It's your girl. For those who don't know, my background is in the medical field. I'm an ICU nurse by profession, but by passion, I'm a financial consultant. And on top of that, we involve anything that has to do with finances, whether it's tax preparation and so forth. So what we do, we bring you information that can help you build wealth, save money, and diminish or reduce on spending. This year, today, it's Wednesday right now, Winning Wednesday. And our topic we're going to share with you today is it's about taxes. Okay. And before I end today, I will share something with you when it comes to taxes. All right, but first let me tell you what is it that I stopped by to share with you. So I stopped by to bring you this valuable, very important information. Please like it, subscribe, and share with a friend because it might help you or someone that you know. What do we have today? So, what are the marginal tax rate changes from 2023 to 2024? So, for those who don't know, let me back a little bit. In 2025, we'll be filing 2024 taxes. So if it says 2024, it's because this, whatever we're doing now, it regarding the taxes that you paid last year. So we're filing it this year. So the changes that happen, they happen for when you're filing taxes this year for the taxes that you paid or you were supposed to pay last year. So let's say if you're someone who's single, if you just single, these are the marginal for you, and these are the changes. So you will fall in the 10% marginal tax rate bracket if you make zero to $11,000. Okay, which is the same. Which is little different from last. From okay, so last year it was $11,000. So you fall in the 10% bracket, but this year for you to be in the 10% bracket, it means if you make anywhere from zero, take a screenshot. I'm sure you guys can read for yourself. If you want more explanation, I would suggest that you subscribe to my channel so that we can bring you more information. Also, you can text, you can email, or send us a message so that we can bring that more and more detail for you. Like I said, this is general knowledge, general information. But if you want more information, you got to reach out directly to me and I will charge you, I promise. Now, if you fall between 11,000, that was last year, 11,100 to $44,000, you fall in the 12% bracket, which is different now. It's 47,725, which is good, which is good. So it means you get to make more money for you to pay that amount of percentage of taxes. Let's jump all the way to here. So let's say, well, the average population made about 100,000. I don't know. That's what I think. But let's say let's be right here. If you make between 44,000, if you made the year before 44,726 dollars to $95,000, you would pay 22%. Now, if you make up to $100,000, you fall in the 22% bracket. But last year, let's say 2023, if you only made $95,376, you would pay a 24% tax, which is this year it's a lot better because you can make up to 191,000. You can make over $100,000 before you fall in the 24% bracket. Like I said, if you need more information, reach out to your girl because I got you. Now, let's talk about head of household. Head of household is a household like where when you file taxes, you claim saying that you are the head of household. You can, let's say you have kids, you have a wife or a husband, but you're the head of household. You're the one responsible for most of the money that brings in the house and also for the expenses and all of that. Someone like that, here's how it falls for you. Here's the difference. Now you can take a screenshot so you can see the difference because I'm not able to have them comparison side by side. But remember, for single, someone who's single for this year, forget about 2023, okay? For someone who's single, if you make $0,000 to $11,600, you would pay 10%. But here, if you make 0 to 16,550, you would pay fall in the 60 on the 10% bracket. Now let's go on to 22%. If you make between 59 to $95,000 the year before, you pay 22% in taxes. But this year, if you made between 63,000 to $100,000, you pay 22% in taxes. So that's pretty good if you ask me. So really, it's gonna help you because you pay less in taxes, meaning more get to stay in your pocket. Yes, yes. All right. Now, if you're married filing jointly, or you are a surviving spouse, this is where it goes. If you're married filing jointly, meaning 10% means if you make over $23,000. If you make, you will fall in the 22% if you made $94,301 to $201,050. So meaning you get to keep more when filing together. And also 2024 is in our advantage. Before you would pay 24% if you made 190,000 and up. All right, so with that saying, please do me a favor. Take a screenshot so you can have that for you to go by. And I will be sharing it on these social media so that you can easily click on it. But not right now, once I'm done with my live. And again, if you're married and you file separately, this is where you fall. Okay, so some people like to file separately, but if I were you, I would file together. Like me and my husband, we file jointly. We have been. So with that saying, I'm not gonna bring you any advice as how you should file and should not file. I'm not your advisor, but check with an advisor, and then they'll tell you what would be more beneficial for you. So that's that with the changes that took place last year for between 2022 and 2024. Now, let me give you a few nuggets. If you are someone you have been filing your taxes by yourself, or if you have been paying people to file your taxes and you're wondering if you should file by yourself, let me tell you, most things, not anything, but for a lot of things that you pay people to do for you, you can actually do them yourself. For instance, I pay people to do my locks for me, to do them, but I can actually do them myself. It will take me three times the amount of time that it takes a person to do it. So that's time, and I'm not a professional at this. It will take me a lot longer to get it done, but I choose to have someone else do it because she's a professional at what she does, and I trust her to do that, to do a good job. And also, it saves me energy and money too, because my hours are costly. By me doing it myself, it would take hours and hours of me for my regular work, like helping people like you. Like pulling your tooth. I don't know if you want to do that yourself, but you go to a professional to do that for you. Like changing oil in your car, you can do it yourself. But again, you choose to have a professional do it for you. Washing your car, you can wash it in your front yard, like in the parking. You can park your car, purchase a hose, water hose, and do it yourself. But you find someone else to do it for you. You hire someone, or you take it to the car wash. The same thing. A lot of things you can sure do it yourself if you know what you're doing, if you don't desire to have the best result, if that makes sense. So with that saying, you can definitely file your own taxes. You can always file your own taxes. But if you're looking for results, if you want or you need someone who's a professional, who studied the law, who knows what they're doing, by all means find someone who can help you make more money, help you make more money legally. You don't want to leave any extra money on the table. Please don't leave any extra money on the table. Take it all home and straight to the bank, sister. So, with that saying, find someone who knows what they're doing, someone you can trust, someone who's not just going to do your taxes, but who's going to be there for you throughout the years to come, throughout the year and the years to come, and someone that you can trust, that you know definitely gonna help you get result, and also teaching you along the way. You need that. So I am not a tax preparer, I'm a tax professional, I'm a tax pro, and meaning I took the time to learn what is it that I do. I learn it and I teach people the right way to do things. We study the law, and also we don't just do taxes, we help you with taxes. But as financial professional myself, what we do is we support we support you throughout the year to help you win financially, whether it's tax return, whether it's credit repair, whether it's bookkeeping, budgeting. We do all that throughout the year. And if you have a tax that was not filed correctly, we do tax strategy for you throughout the year, especially if you own a business. So to conclude, I'm gonna tell you, feel free to go on this website. You can go on the IRS website, compare prices. Like if you want to file taxes yourself, you can go ahead and do that. Okay. Now this is the system of software that we use in our company, but you can use any of these to file your personal taxes, and this is how much they're gonna charge you based on what you have, what you got. But if you need a professional, of course, they're going to charge you more because they know the law, they know the system, and they put time into all that. But you can go ahead and get started with any one of these, compare prices. And like I said, this is the program I use. So that's why I use their website to provide you information. And you get to compare prices like I just did for you. Okay. See, like if you're a student, I know we have a lot of students watching this. You can get it done for free with Tax Slayer, or you can go and do it with one of these guys. But there's always some, uh, you might say, okay, what's the catch? There's always a catch. The catch is you may or may not make the amount of money that you deserve, and you just limit yourself because you don't know the law. You don't know where the money are hiding. So you need a professional that can help you identify those hiding spots. And product pricing, again, like I mentioned, it's just the different pricing that it's gonna give you. Like if you have the tax layer, the one I have right here, it tells you how much it's gonna cost you for each of these. If you do a simply free, it's simply free if you're doing a simple tax with just these. If you have classic, which is the best value, that's how much they charge you. And premium is the self-employed is that. Now you might say, okay, I'm gonna do it, but the amount of time it's gonna take you, really, if I were you, I would just hire a professional. I'm here at your service. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen for a second. I am here at your service, and I'm going to, just help you understand this a little better. So, with that saying, they make that mistake. But like I said, I'm going back one more time to show you just before I stop sharing my screen, just so you can take a screenshot. So if you want to do it yourself, by all means do that. But if you want to maximize your return, find a professional. And so me with Sereny's Wealth Solutions, and also I'm part of the leading ladies tax. We are here to serve you. Take a screenshot and find yourself a professional. If you're not gonna pull your own tooth and you refuse to wash your own car, by all means, don't try to do your taxes by yourself. So this is the screen that shows you the different pricing for tax layer. But if you want to compare prices with the top, some of the top softwares, these are software, meaning you have to purchase it. Some of them, they allow you free return. You can do that with this. This is simply free for simple filing for student, or you can pay these small fees to get it done. Take a screenshot, boom, boom, boom. And I promise you I wasn't going to keep you for long, but one thing I want to show you real quick, go back to where I started. When I started with the law and all that, the difference. Please take a screenshot, because I need to, take a screenshot so you can have it. There you go. Took a screenshot. I did cover it. It was smaller than right now. But go ahead and do yourself a favor. Get educated, get informed, and get the money and go to the bank. It's your girl, Coach Serenis. I came to you live with valuable information. You have a fantabulous day. If you want to know how to find me, wherever you're watching me from, on whether it's Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube, just follow, subscribe, and send me a message. And also, you can email me. If you go find CoachSerenis.com, you can find me with all my different pages right there. That's my Linktree page. All right, bye. I'm done, you guys.